Hi everyone. In the last video, we have learned about the commonly used string methods. In this video, we are going to learn about the string formatting. So string formatting allows us to perform multiple type-specific substitution on the string in a single step. So it's convenient when formatting text to be displayed to a program's user. So in Python, there are three ways you can format the string. First is a string formatting expression. Second is a string formatting method call, and in Python 3.8 or higher you have f strings. So let's start with the string formatting expression. So string formatting expression is the original technique and it's available from Python's inception. So if you ever use C language, you can compare this with the printf model. So Python defines a percent binary operator to work on the string. The percent operator provides a simple way to format value as string according to a format definition. So the percent operator provides a compact way to code multiple string substitutions all at once instead of building and concatenating parts individually. So like I give an example. If you want to add a numeric value to this string, either you can use a plus str3. So this will return Python 3, or you can use the formatting expression. So in the formatting expression, you can simply use a Python %d and %3. So for example, there are %d ways to format %s in Python, and we can give %3 and a string. So if we print this, we will get there are three ways to format a string in Python. Other example, in case you want to use type specific substitution, so you can use like %d, %s for %g people, and you can give 10 fruits for 5.0. So if you print this, you will get 10 fruit for 5 peoples. So you can also use %s. It will match all the target that you want to substitute into your string. So for the same example here, if you give all the targets like %s and this one also has %s and you print, it will print. But what it will do, it will simply convert all the targets into string and substitute to the main string. Yeah, so the second method is string formatting method call. So in this method, usually we do str.format and we can give any number of arguments. So let's take the same example, like there are, you have to give the curly braces, ways of, again curly braces, formatting in Python. So you have to give dot format and here 3 and string. So let's see the same example in the interpreter. So if you give there are ways of formatting in Python, and you have to give dot format and can simply give 3 and string. So it will directly return you the substituted string. So you might thinking you can directly write the way you want. So in some cases here we are directly giving these values, but mostly in your program you are getting some values by your program and you have to substitute here. So there it will be helpful. So now the third method is fstring. So this was introduced in Python 3.8 and can be used on higher. So the current version I'm using, it's Python 3.9. Maybe in case you're using later versions of the Python 3, you will get the fstring. So it's very easy in terms of if you want to manipulate your string. So for example, you have two variables, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to string, and you want to simply write, so you can use f. You have to write f in front of your string, then f there are a ways of formatting in Python. So what we are doing, we are directly inserting our variables during the string. It's readable because you are, so let's see, a is equal to 3, b is equal to string. So in the same example, if you want to use fstring, so there are a ways of b formatting in Python. So if you print this, you will get the formatted string. That's all for this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching and stay tuned.